Hello everyone, welcome back to the Enoylity Technology, and in today's video we are going to check some goodies and a brand new budget smartphone from Doogee. At first we have a letter, secondly a box in which they have given us a cap and their Doogee Pen 5. Now the most important package, the Doogee V20. It is the ultimate flagship dual 5G budget smartphone which is designed to take some serious damages. Inside the box, along with the phone, we have some accessories, the pry bar which can be used to open the charging port and the SIM card slots to avoid damaging your nails. It also comes with pre-installed tempered protector as well as an extra tempered protector inside the box, a 33-watt charger. It also comes with a USB Type-C to Type-A cable and also Type-C to Type-C cable. Now, talking about the design, it is made up of military-graded carbon fiber coming with 3 camera setups at the back. And the most impressive thing, it has dual screen setup. The second screen can be used to show time, battery status, to control music, incoming calls and to show notification. Talking about the camera, it has 20 megapixel night vision camera, a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixels wide angle camera and 16 megapixel front camera. It also has 4x optical zoom and can even shoot video at 1440p. Along with the night vision camera, it has the infrared sensor which will give you the power to see everything clearly in a dark room or a dark situation. Apart from this, it has 6.43 inches of 1080p AMOLED screen which will give you a better screening experience. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On the other hand, we have a functionality button which can be customized on one tap, double tap and hold to give you a shortcut functions. Talking about the battery, it has 6000 mAh of battery coming with 33 watts of fast charging and 15 watts of wireless charging. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage with the octa-core 2.2 Hz coming with this Android 11. Apart from this, it has multiple protection rating, the IP68 rating for waterproof which includes a 30-minute resistant test of 1.5 meter underwater, a IP69K rating for dustproof and a military standard 810G. It also has outdoor toolkit which have different applications like compass, noise test and other applications which can be very helpful if you are in outdoor environment, especially if you are going on a trek. We also have done some cold water tests that we have kept the phone inside the cold water for a certain period of time to check whether the phone is working or not, and the phone was in proper working state. We also have done a drop test on the phone from a certain height to test whether the screen lasted or not, but we get a little scratch on the phone. We have also tested the camera underwater which was working pretty well. So this was all about the Doogee V20, a smartphone that is perfect if you are more into trekking or any tough environmental situations. I hope you like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.